Want to grow fresh veggies all year long, even in the dead of winter? Stick around because I'm about to break down exactly how you can plan a garden that keeps you harvesting every month of the year using just 4 simple steps. And hey, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a tip for sustainable gardening. Let's dive in. Step 1. Know your growing zone. It's the secret to picking the right plants and nailing your timing. Head over to the USDA website or check with your local extension office to find your zone. For example, if you're in Zone 7, your last frost is usually mid-April and your first frost is late October, meaning you've got about 200 frost-free days to work with. This is your foundation for planning an epic year-round harvest. Step 2. Plan by season, not by month. Trust me, it's so much easier. Instead of getting overwhelmed by the calendar, group your crops into spring, summer, fall, and winter. Spring is perfect for spinach, peas, and carrots. In summer, go big with tomatoes, squash, and beans. Fall is for kale, radishes, and broccoli. And yes, you can grow in winter with garlic, cover crops, and super hardy greens like mache and arugula, even under a little snow. This rotation helps keep your soil productive and your to-do list nice and simple. Step 3. Use succession planting. This is one of my favorite hacks. As soon as you pull up one crop, tuck in the next. Say you harvest lettuce in spring. Plant bush beans for summer right after. Once the beans are done, slip in some spinach for a fall harvest. That's 3 crops, 1 bed, all in a single year. Talk about efficient. Step 4. Extend your season with a few easy tools. Cold frames are like little greenhouses. They trap heat, letting you grow hardy greens in the snow. Row covers keep tender crops safe from frost. And hoop houses? With just some plastic and hoops, you can turn a mild climate into a year-round garden. Seriously, you can be harvesting kale in January. So remember, know your zone, plan by seasons, keep your beds busy with succession planting, and grab some season extenders. With just a little planning, you can enjoy homegrown harvests every single month of the year. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with another gardener. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world, no-fluff gardening videos every week. Happy growing!